Gusii County ya Nyamira awase umuteneneri bw'ekiombe yokorika abarimu asorosagia Riang'ombe juma leo ayenekire na bacha kirobotki kubwatkana negekore askire gotebekana na omwarimu bw'eskuru ya eyoboroso ya Riang'ombe nigabetega kumuita omoroki woyo mona kumutigera chinkoma chintindi nabona nigatebire na bacha kirobotki bwabene egekore nonya nabo abaibulwa omoroki woyo babeire bakugikiria.
County, and we here because of an assault incident of a grade 4 student who was assaulted by a teacher, and as you can see, we have a multi-agency team on the ground. We have officers from Children's Department, we have officers from the Kenya Police, we have officers from the County Education Office, we have officers from TSC, and we have also officers undercover doing the same investigation. And from the Education Office, the assurance is after the investigation which is ongoing, no stone will be left unturned.
Tutamanyeti baituruga ki abana omwana bwata chimba ata ko reporting aki ni ndwarete una bana naroro muibori ochagali omwana okominya ko kolera mami ambia mwalimu nataka kuongea na otebi kungaenda darasani sio